Yash, you'll never guess what formation they're in.
Oh, is it the many bird stuff?
Yes, it is Lopez.
Yes,
Jeez.
yes.
But when that gets spun, you're not playing a show underwater.
No, but if they are close enough to the surface, you can show them at the
I mean-
shoreline,
Washed up?
washed up, or like clinging to
yeah, washed up.
rocks at low tide. Although I
Yeah.
doubt that. But
I mean, shallow water could mean just non-deep water more than anything else.
Mm.
yeah,
And they're
yeah.
stalked crinoids. They're not feather stars.
Well, something to look into. I sat through a more than 2 hour movie without going to the toilet, and I drank some coffee beforehand, so I will get to the toilet quickly and get myself a fresh cup. Back in a sec.
I think the biggest thing that I'm worried about is being able to find reliable sources within the time.
I looked into certain things. I looked into it. I spent like the last 20 minutes looking at the taxa.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
I even looked into something that almost won. Like I looked into the seagrass.
Honestly, the ones we got aren't bad. Like,
Yeah.
references wise.
Saglaria apparently isn't a true like trying
It's
to
not a
think what
true
it's called.
ranunculale.
Yeah, it's just affinity towards them.
One of those. Oh,
So
no.
probably an outgroup, I'd assume.
Something along those lines.
It's very similar, so it's definitely closely related.
I'm just really, I want to know how much research the people who suggested something actually did on the plant that they suggested.
Hmm.
Because I
How
remember
many-
going on a bit of a deep dive about, like a semi-deep dive about my legume.
Yeah.
Well, I Grace was the one who suggested the fluorescent one, so I trust her. She knows a lot about it.
I found a couple of papers on the early Asteracean that I've suggested, but alas, it has not made it.
Which is really sad. I wanted to draw it.
The earliest member of the Daisy family that we know
Yeah.
of
It
from
literally
macrofossils, because we
looks
have
so
them
good.
from like pollen from the Maastrichtian Antarctica for some odd reason.
Yeah. I don't really have anything interesting to say. There's some nice images of the structure of the vela from the description paper, like some nice fruitification diagrams.
Hmm.
Laginocarpum petite researched, I assume.
Oh, yes.
Florcentia is one of those things where you get multiple species, so like the
Mhm.
Wikipedia article is also one of the few decent Wikipedia articles for plants.
Ooh.
Yeah, then. Yeah, I don't really have anything to say about Florcentia.
Mm-hmm.
Rest in peace, Bonanza Carpum.
Rip. I'm looking at the Lovelia description paper, and I'm seeing I'm seeing a lot of plant families that I've never heard of before, but one in particular, Gamortigaceae.
Ooh, I've heard of those kinds of plants.
Gamort. It consists of a single extant species, Gamortiga cule, which is native to Chile.
Chili, I thought that was a different kind of plant. I was saying earlier, but I'm pretty sure that I actually did go to sleep because I have morning voice. So I think that's a pretty good indication that I at least had some sleep.
Yeah.
I'll probably sleep after flocking anyways.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, I'm back.
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep. Okay. Nothing to see here. Or here.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, I used to know that lullaby that was in My Little Pony, and I was trying to dredge it up from the depths of my lyric remembering brain,
Hush
and
Now,
I
Quiet
can't remember.
Down, it's time to
Yes, thank you, thank you.
Hush
Hush
now,
now,
quiet
quiet now.
I literally grew up on Generation 5.
I
Works,
prefer
works.
the version that the little kids were singing, you know.
Oh no, aberrantologist is an industry plant. God damn it.
Sorry, wait,
Haha.
Generation 5, Generation 4. Oh my gosh, I keep on
Wait.
mixing up the generations. I keep on thinking Generation 5 is Generation 4 and Generation 4 is Generation 3. That's embarrassing, fake fan.
Fake fan indeed. Okay. Let's see. Welcome to this Valentine's Day flower stream.
Literally is Valentine's Day over here.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, and over
Welcome
there
to the singles club, or married long enough that they can sit out one.
I was gonna say, Yash, are you are I think the only single person here.
Yeah.
God damn it! Well, I guess someone has to do this.
Me, Dynamo, Petite, and Raven are not single.
Oh.
I'm gagged.
Oh dear.
Yeah, but you both are here anyway, so what makes it? What difference does it make? Yeah.
That were...
No, okay, no. What he was saying was that, like, you're.
And Triano, if you
without
want to
obligation.
join the single voices, you may.
Oh, we gotta boost Petite's voice here a little bit. She's a little quiet.
I have
Yeah.
petite
Yeah,
on 200%. I
actually
cannot
do
make.
not understand what's going on with Discord. Discord has just decided to make my voice
Yeah,
incredibly
yeah.
quiet for like no specified reason.
Discord
can't be
decided to
fair.
make your voice as small as your name.
Oh wow, I had Joshua cranked way up, so I could just turn him down and then turn up the rest of my volumes.
Sometimes it's a
Okay.
question of balance, but I have
Yeah, I
you all
noticed that,
basically on
a few months ago
200%.
I had
But
to do that as well.
yeah.
I had to like
Beep,
swap
beep.
around a bunch of people's audio.
Do not worry, Joshua. You are not the only single one.
Yippee!
Oh wait, Petite, you might have seen this, but this feels like something you'd be very interested in.
Oh yeah.
Posting in other talk
Okay.
text.
Desert Leaper also single. Fantastic.
Holy shit.
Oh.
Batman apparently worked on it.
What? Who?
Look in other talk text.
Evo Guesser? Oh my god.
Ooh. Oh.
Is this finally a better version of Ethno Guesser we were waiting for?
What?
The non-racist one?
Metazoa but extinct is crazy.
Number
This
3,
is gonna be
curse you,
crazy.
bat. Curse
Actually,
you,
I'm
bat.
going to today's Metazoa right now.
Okay,
Oh,
let's
wait, no, I'll do the Metaflora first. First.
let's have a look what people voted on here.
That's more fitting.
What is the highest? I think it's still Florisantia.
Mm-hmm.
Number 1. Then there's
Oh wait, you took your screenshot.
yeah,
Good.
there is 18.
Lovelia.
Lovelia. Number 2. Also up here is a 16. Is there another 16? I don't think so. That's
I
Storm.
think
I got the Metaflora in too.
Oh,
Yeah, I was gonna say,
that's a
Laguma carpum.
lagoon. I think.
I think the species specifically that was suggested was from Cretaceous Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's the only
Yes, it
species of
was.
the genus.
No, there's a few. I mean, unfortunately, I think Leguminocarpum is literally, if it's a legume seed pod, it's in the genus. Like, it's one of those wastebasket.
They do be stupid like that. And last but not least, on here it looks like
It's morphological.
Sagaria.
So this is an all plant stream.
It's an all flower
Indeed.
stream.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
only
angiosperm,
angiosperms.
Oh my goodness, I am yes, I am so
Mhm.
glad I carved out the day for this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I mean,
we-
I'll be saying that by the end of the stream, but
people, yeah, we shall see how much we enjoy this. But yeah, no, people have been claiming, hey, we wanted to do more common like themed streams, and I remember we talked about this at the town hall meeting, but I also said back then, if it's not a weekly thing, it is so easy for me to forget about it. So yeah, here we are. Unless I have it like written on my forehead, it goes into one ear and comes out the other. Okay.
it do be like that sometimes. Yes.
Indeed, we shall start with Florisantia.
Yes. This is a member of, I believe it's a member of Malvaceae, the mallow family.
Yeah, and probably specifically on a tree, looking at like
Mhm.
the stalk sizes.
Yeah.
Or not the stalk. They called it. I'm checking.
Yeah.
Pedicle, but yeah, pedicle.
It's one of the
Guys.
most famous flowering plants we have in the fossil record because we have these flowers preserved, which are really beautiful. And yeah, we have quite a few of
Ooh,
them.
yes.
Mm-hmm.
Also, I think we have a little bit more associated of it.
Yep.
I found an illustration.
Oh, is it the same one as I'm about to post?
I know there's one by Rebecca Dart with a little bird.
Yeah, Rebecca does have a reconstruction.
Oh, I meant in a paper, like a black and white one.
Oh, that's even better. So we don't get
And
influenced.
Okay,
it's
yeah,
comical. With a scale bar.
With a scale bar.
Yeah,
Excellent.
it's suggested to be either insect or bird pollinated.
Yeah.
The
let me-
fruits of this thing are samaras, which are like, I think, single wing seeds.
Yeah, yeah. So like, what people in the U.S. might know as like helicopters.
Tentatively placed within the family Sterculiaceae. Oh yeah, there's some fun trees in here. Yep.
Yeah. These would be on trees. They are very small. Compared to the tree size.
Mm-hmm.
So these are a tree species. Okay.
I mean,
Yeah.
no. I mean, they aren't a tree species. They are like that's
Well,
not how plant fossil taxa work.
I mean,
Oh,
Yeah,
I
but-
mean,
but
it's like
for-
on a
for
tree. Yeah,
simplicity.
Sorry, but I meant on a tree growing type of growth pattern.
yes, almost certainly.
Yeah.
I wonder, do we have any whole branches of this thing preserved?
No, it's just flowers.
Yeah, it's one of these
flowers,
cases
fruit,
where
pollen.
where because of the specific conditions how these things are preserved, only the flowers got preserved and nothing else. Probably because the flowers are so delicate that and small that they got easily covered up by sediment, and bigger stuff just lasted too long on the surface to
Mhm.
to remain.
Let me actually see if there's associated leaf taxa, because that could be useful. I did not check
Ooh,
that.
I might have found something.
Justify collection, sotels, and
No, this is something else.
Oh, they're sepals, not petals. That makes sense, actually, looking at them.
So
Mm.
this one is from like all of the Pacific coast of North America, right?
quite a
think it's-
bit.
It's also into Europe, right?
According to Wikipedia, I know there's like mostly Pacific North America and also the Russian Far East
These are
and
Hmm.
Anagorans in Rajasthan in India.
Yeah. For people
Okay,
looking
pretty widespread.
for ideas for colors, you can go
I'm
probably
pretty
based on the families they are grouped in. You can probably go with pink, white, purples, even oranges.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm seeing quite diverse assemblage of colors, but yeah, you can. It seems like based off species in the or like text in the family that I'm currently looking at, that they would be in like groups of flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Like it wouldn't just be one. And
I
then
mean,
like
that does make sense looking at how long the pedicles of the flowers are.
yeah.
Yeah, likely hung downwards from the plant in a pedant-like manner. Okay.
Yeah, based off what I'm trying to think if there's anything else.
Ooh, I just found a good example of that actually in an extant member of Sterculiaceae.
Oh yes, there you see nicely a group of them.
There
Yeah,
you go.
yeah, something like that. Hmm.
Mm-hmm. Most members of this family are pretty big trees with big leaves.
Yeah, I mean it's even possible that the big tree stumps we find at the Florissant Formation are these trees.
Possibly.
Yeah. For people not familiar with Florissant Formation, we actually have like a lot of fossil woods there. Some of these tree stumps are still standing around.
Yeah.
And you can visit them.
Wait, so like, what
Ooh.
sort of pattern was the inflorescence?
Also, the
Um,
Florissant Formation is on our wheel.
Sure.
Yeah, it's been there since
true,
the start.
true.
Groups of
Mhm.
3.
Yep. Ah, Wieswain is chickening out. Can't participate.
But
Afraid of plants or having a date, maybe?
Ooh.
Hmm. Potentially.
No, Biswain clearly hates love.
true.
No.
When? Oops.
I see.
It seems like
I think the flowers are. No, actually, I have no idea how this what the inflorescence growth form is. It's looking like cymes, with like groups of 3 at the end of each axillary tip or whatever the proper term is. But oh no, it looks like it's variable between like 3 to 5 or even 1.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, you know what? The outer fused bit being sepals makes a lot of sense looking at it again. I might try a specific species.
Spiders.
Florissant Formation, this environment in the like mid Eocene to Oligocene would have been a pretty like tropical to subtropical humid forest, right?
Yeah,
If I recall correctly.
I think so.
Most likely.
Perhaps a very tall jungle
Makes
tree.
sense.
Yeah. Yeah, it's in terms of like how the thing overall looks, the flower, yeah, the tree go with.
I actually cannot tell. Is this a bisexual flower or is it an imperfect flower?
I wouldn't be able to tell.
Um,
For that, we would need Jules.
the two genders, bisexual and imperfect.
Oh,
Right,
according to
Ceratosuchops is saying
Ceratosuchops, they are bisexual.
Cool.
Okay.
What was that, Petite?
Oh no, I was just commenting on what Ceratosuchops said. confirming that the flowers are bisexual.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
can't
The
believe
nice
they
thing
made
about the
flowers
flower
more.
is a rather simple one. Like, it is really like your kindergarten flower in a way.
Yaps is
Mhm.
asking about pollinators.
Pollinators. Oh, we have plenty actually, because the fluorescent formation isn't that good at preserving all that macro stuff, but these little flowers and insects preserve quite well. There are bees and wasps from here. For
Yeah, including I
example,
think one of the
Paleowaspa.
early, I think
Mhm.
one of the earliest bumblebees, if not the earliest.
Yeah, I see a drawing here of one of a bumblebee. I don't see the fossil. Ah, there it is. Calyptaspis. This one here. So yeah, bees, wasp, and that stuff. Oh, I see a small, very small wasp. It's also Paleowaspa? That does not look like the fossil I have seen. Okay. But it's from a Facebook page. Who knows? Who knows?
5 millimeters. That is tiny.
Ooh, Manchester
Most of
flower
the
fruits and
I work
pollen.
with are about that size.
Oh, thank you, Nohawks. Nohawks found some more stuff here.
That is
Stuff.
extremely well preserved pollen.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Well, I'm yeah. I mean, with pollen, yeah, sporopollen is almost indestructible. So you see
Yeah, small,
pollen in
compact
the fossil
shapes.
record a lot. Like that's the least surprising part about this.
Okay, there's once again that thing with the several flowers together.
I found some more potential extant analogs and close
That's
cousins.
pollen. Ah, there's again the reconstruction of the flower.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, I think we will just jump
Nice.
in. There is always some speculative parts about reconstructing flowers because in most cases we do not have the wool thing, and it is hard to tell like what organ that is preserved belongs to what.
Mm-hmm.
You will
They're
notice that
modular.
very quickly during this stream if you have never done
My toolbar's frozen.
paleobotany before.
It's over for you, Petite.
Someone open up the bingo or whatever. It's actually Photoshop that's frozen. Okay.
No.
Actually, yeah, it's been a while since we had the bingo up.
Oh my gosh.
Bingo.
You know what? This is a nice reference image for like the structures.
How many anthers? I'm gonna try and do a specific species. So that'll be fun.
Thank you, Stratasucops.
Oh, nice.
Wait,
We can't get into flower anatomy stuff right now.
Single style extends from the center of the ovary surrounding and the surrounding androecium to above the corolla of 5 stamens.
Oh, there.
Okay.
Good damn it.
This stream is going to last a bit longer than usual flockings just because of reference
We
gathering.
have to find some references every time, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but otherwise, I think we are basically ready to go. I'm getting the timer. Timer
What are you flicking through?
ready. I was, don't worry. My brain isn't quite here. I'm trying to do several things at the same time.
Don't worry about it.
I worry about it.
Forget about it.
Anyway, let us start with Florisantia, our first flower on this flower flocking. Starting in 1, 2, 3, go.
Woohoo! Oh,
Yippee!
quite a few members of this family have very impressive buttresses.
But
That's cool.
Zero clue what that means.
These.
I cannot look sadly.
the roots fan out like
Oh,
The tall, thin extension, like projections of the trunk that extend out in all directions.
yeah, in Germany we
Ah.
call them plank roots.
It's hard to
I don't
describe
think
them,
I've
honestly.
ever seen this. This is
Really?
the first time I
Quite a
I
few
noticed.
quite a few big tropical rainforest trees have
Yeah.
them both, I think, for flooding protection and just general stability because they're
Yeah.
giants in a tropical rainforest.
Especially certain
Yeah,
fig
makes sense.
species, I think, are famous for them.
Oh yeah, it's happened convergently, got to be over 100 times. Oh, Lamau, you know what's in this clade as well?
What?
And what's in this plate as well?
The genus Cola
Oh my gosh.
of
Yes.
Coca-Cola fame.
And nothing else.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, yeah, wait, this is a Malvasian.
And it's specifically Sterculeoidea, that little subgroup within Malvaceae.
Oh my gosh. That's stupid.
Yep.
How variable is the leaf
Fuck you, Coca-Cola, and
Uh,
your slop commercials.
in Malvasian?
Within just this subgroup,
Yes.
they range from like 3-pointed lobes, very big globular lobes, and just regular dicot pointed ovals, and also like Chinese parasol tree is in here. Okay, that leaf shape big, but otherwise just yes.
Okay.
I'm going with like a 3-lobed shape myself.
Yee. There's also some that almost look like
I'm kind of a
maples.
three-lober
Just for the
myself, you
funny.
know.
Mhm.
Also, just as an update, I completed the Metaflora in 2 and the Metazoa in 4. So that's
Okay.
interesting.
You're drifting away from animals. How does it feel?
If you know what you're doing, the Metaflora was actually probably one of the easiest it has been in a while. And I will give no further spoilers.
Mhm.
Oh my god. I'm sorry. One of the members of this family, Sericula foetida. Sorry, I'm
Yeah.
butchering that pronunciation. Bastard poon tree.
I love
Also known
that.
as the skunk tree.
Beautiful.
Oh no.
Well, you know what to expect.
A stinky plant.
The stinkiest.
Their
This is
fruit
reminding me
looks
how
like it.
much I have to learn with plants still.
Fake it till you make it.
Exactly.
Exactly. That's my philosophy of becoming how to become a professional artist.
Mm-hmm.
I just kind of big ass my way in.
Exactly.
I wasn't gonna take no for an answer.
Reminds me again of the overconfidence discussions we had, Petite, at the women's
Oh my gosh, yeah.
women's paleo discussion.
That was so funny.
I had some thoughts on that, but I wanted to let you ladies talk first about that.
Oh, I'm actually so indecisive on how I'm gonna reconstruct the inflorescence.
Oh, what do you mean by inflorescence?
Like the inflorescence that I'm reconstructing as a whole.
No, but like, what is it?
Oh, the
JW is
flower
not familiar
cluster.
with the term.
Oh, okay. So inflorescence is just a term that describes a functional unit of pollination. So like clover flowers are individual things, but then the inflorescence would be the entire bowl of them.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, I thought you were asking me like what I meant by the actual structure that I was doing, not the.
No,
sorry.
I'm not a
Yeah, no, this is
plant.
going to be a recurring issue. This vlogging stream. There's going to be a lot
I
of
guess you
terms
guys know what
we need to
Schmegel
do.
feels like when he does the flockings.
Aw.
Been so long.
Yeah, time zone stuff.
That's that I felt recently looking into echinoderms.
Yeah.
Gosh, you're kind of
It was so funny seeing that tweet
Okay,
because like
okay.
Stream Ideas has been full of STEM echinoderms.
Yeah, that
for,
isn't
like,
that
a
is
month.
a coincidence because I'm currently working on a commission involving lots of echinoderms, and
It's very cool.
it
I
it,
have
it will be fun. JW, you can't just say that, otherwise people know I tell you guys NDA.
You don't tell us anything.
Exactly.
We
You
just
don't
have
tell
X-ray vision.
That is true, actually.
I'm remembering last week and I'm saving after I make every fucking leaf.
Oh my god.
Good idea.
No, seriously, that's the way I've been drawing for the past however many years. It's so terrible.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting here probably giving seasoned Photoshop people like a heart attack.
Yeah, probably.
Saving once
Never
an
say
I
never.
hour.
lost a bit of the impulse to hit Control S all the time, but like the way Josh draws is mental.
Time check.
12 minutes. Why did I want to paint this many flowers? Making-
I got to start painting flowers now. Painting leaves this whole time.
I might
Guys, I
make
haven't even
these
started on the
inflorescence a little
leaves.
bit too large.
I'm doing the internodes right now. I'm still on the internodes.
Hey, what if we have 50 minutes per plant?
No. If
No.
we
Just-
do a longer
should just
flocking at
take
some
the
point, that will
entire
be
St.
theme of the
Valentine's.
flocking.
Mm.
That's not a bad idea, Andriano.
Just the whole day to draw these flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Our daily flocking give us today. And resolve us of our sins.
Hey, though I walk through the valley of Bonji, I shall fear no evil.
Exactly.
Plants aren't evil, though, but you shall fear them.
As long as
Aren't
Ray
they really-
Harryhausen is with us, no harm can come to us. Actually, let's
should
have some
stop
in
being
here
so
that
scared
are
of
like
making
already
mistakes.
lost their petals.
I kind of wish my husband had been able to join today, but he had to work, which is good
Ah.
because that means we have money coming in.
That is important.
That is
Mhm.
important, yeah.
One of these
Oh, I like how
unfortunate
none of
realities.
these plants have images of their branches. It's just the whole tree. Wow.
It's
Yeah,
amazing how many extant abundant tree species do not have good photographic references online, like at all.
Yeah.
Just
like,
take a
wow,
photo of the
how?
branch.
PSA to literally everyone listening: appreciate and document the organisms that live around you. Don't take them for granted.
Speaking as somebody who tries to photograph their own plant reference material, it is extremely hard to get a good photograph of like a branch.
Yeah, true.
A branch does many different things in many different directions.
And Cameron will like you try to focus on them.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because I did so
Guys,
many
I'm
of
just
them.
starting on the leaves.
Mm.
I'm just doing leaves. I haven't done the flower yet.
This is diabolical.
That's why I blurred out all my leaves in the background, because I knew otherwise we're not getting to them.
What's the time looking like?
We're at 9 minutes.
I'm so close to crashing out. Why are there no good images of these plants?
Petite. Think of the bingo. You can do it.
Oh no, so there's a vein that goes across the entire back of those ones. Okay. Good to know, I guess. Would have been nicer to know before. Okay, wait, so then the inflorescence splits into groups of 2 or 3.
Okay, and now the fun part, venation. As you can see, when you look closely, all the petals are connected.
They're sepals, not petals.
Or is that?
Just like a little thing. My most minor thing that genuinely doesn't matter at all. But yeah.
Especially
There
when
is a
communicating to people.
difference.
That thing on the plant there.
Yeah, that's exactly that thing.
Commonly known as petals.
Sometimes.
Okay, I'm finally starting to draw the flowers.
Woohoo!
What's the time looking like, Yash?
Idiot am
6 minutes.
Petite, I can't wait to see it in like an hour as you work on it in the background.
I? Yeah, you're welcome.
What can I say except ah?
What was that?
Panic.
Yes.
Wait, how many anthers? Was it
Raven
was
just
a
killed the rock.
single star surrounded by how many anthers? Approximately 10 anthers around a single stigma. Okay. Did I read that right? Yeah, your style is 8 millimeters long. Extends about the stamens. What? So, 16, 21 inches for the pedicles. I think. Okay, that should be right. I'm so cooked. I'm so cooked. Okay, no, so the stigma reaches above the stamens. But then how long are the stamens?
4 minutes.
I'm so lucky I chose to draw the species that's basically a circle.
This is gonna be so freaking sketchy, but that's okay.
Well, it's supposed to be a sketch.
Mm-hmm.
Some of y'all are making masterpieces that should like hang in museums out there. Just saying.
Though I care about it, I don't have time to worry about. Leafination.
Hang in museums or be stolen by the Chinese. I have seen yesterday images from a Chinese museum. So much AI,
Oh,
so much stolen art.
Ugh.
One of my pterosaurs was in there. I do not remember giving any Chinese museum any permission for that.
but,
Huh.
but Joshua,
Oh,
just it's just that you're becoming so Chinese.
Oh yeah,
Please
he's
tell
in a
me.
very Chinese era of his
Yeah.
life.
Yeah, it's you don't even remember doing that. You're
Mm.
just so Chinese.
Huh?
The specter of communism came over me.
No.
The
Paul
ghost of
Sassy.
communism's future.
Okay. Ooh, actually that works too.
I'm so cooked. I mean, genuine.
Googly bastard.
Time check.
30 seconds.
Bro, it's Jover.
And there we go. First piece of the night. Fluorescent here.
Grace will be very happy.
So many flowers. Time to save.
Pictures. Where is flocking? There it is. I'm pretty happy with this.
Yep, same.
Save duplicate. And then let me.
Ah,
Gosh,
So-
people did bring up a gymnosperm flocking around Christmas to go along with this. in
Oh, you
general,
pine
which could be
trees.
fun.
That actually would be pretty interesting as a Christmas event.
Neat.
Can't lie about that.
Okay, but let's only do the herbaceous ones.
Yes. Wait, isn't there only one?
I think there might be two.
Exactly.
I think there's two.
There's two, huh?
How are you still on that?
On what?
I don't know.
No, what am I on? Huh? I'm a bit confused. Do you wanna share with the class?
Nah,
At all?
nah,
Mm.
no.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah.
Who just said flower slop? Lolpie said flower slop.
What?
What do you
Benedictales
mean
and
flower slop?
slop.
Are you? My God.
Actually, what would you even call flower slop? Like, if we actually had to define
Uh,
flower slop, how would
Well,
we
you take a
define
blender
Uh,
and put
Pollen.
some flowers in there.
Making
Oh,
bouquets.
Flower slop would be the ones with like really crazily packed inflorescence. Like, oh no, apiations. Apiations of flower slop. Have you seen their inflorescence? Holy shit.
Oh, members of the carrot family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's that. If we had to define flower slop, then that would be.
I know there's some
That would be flower
sloppy
slop.
fruits. I know that much.
Look at this. Look at this stupid ass complex umbel. It goes into like the inflorescence splits. I'm sending it into other talk text. The inflorescence splits radially into like a bunch of separate internodes that then split again radially and then again into smaller flowers. That is the definition of flower slop. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Very sloppy. Okay. Let us have a look at what people posted. The nice thing is, because so many people are out on dates and stuff, we don't have
Gosh,
to
you
look
forgot
over
the
so many
calyx.
pieces, you know?
Yeah, she forgot the calyx.
Forgot what?
You forgot the calyx.
What do you mean by calyx? You need to define these.
The cup that holds underneath the sepals.
Oh yeah.
No.
Gosh,
I have a question
the-
because like
this-
the petal stuff isn't like that technically part of the calyx in this flower.
No, sepals. Oh, let me get up the thing because it mentions something about some of the.
Gosh, you can see it in some of the like in the photo that Petite posted a while ago, there's like a little cup-shaped
Yeah,
thing right
you
before the
can
flower.
See, you can see the calyxes.
There's like
That's fine though. Literally
little
no one but
bulbous.
like 5 people care.
Where?
Literally only like 5 people care. So
There.
I think we're safe.
Yeah, I do not care about that.
Yash is not one of the few people who care.
I
Yash is like-
care more about the overall shape than that detail. At the end of the day, that's more important. Okay, let's have a look what people posted. Going down, up. There we go. Rodent. Unfortunately, probably the last. Coming in here with quite dense fluorescence actually. Lots of stuff there going on. Nice. And with a little bumblebee sitting on top. Very cool. The leaves I think are a little bit weirdly clumped here on the branch, but otherwise very pretty. Good stuff. A genius. Oh my god, a genius making something I thought you weren't able to do. Incredible. With this little drawing here, I'm very much liking that, like full flower plant and next to it then showing the detail here with leaves and flowers. Very nice. Then there is Raven with these little flowers here, a little bit like cherries by the looks of it. Very nice. Good stuff. Coming out in pairs of 3. Luan, at least I try. Luan, we all try. Is it a plant? It is. It is indeed. Also, very importantly, and I think a few people more have done this too, is that these are these quote unquote petals. They are all connected. So it's one shape, basically that they form. You wouldn't like individually have these. Maybe this is a pathological specimen there. We don't know. Next, Captain Trululu. Fake one, what? Oh my god, you gave it a face. Get out of here. Anyway, Dragon Girl 27 with a branch with, beautiful little wasp here coming in too. Nice.
Mhm.
Very cool idea. Good stuff. And then it's JW who put a lot more emphasis on the wool plant than the flowers, I see. Nice. It brings across nicely how small these would be, probably in compared to the rest of the plant. Then we have Lolpie. That is indeed no flower slop. How dare. Unless you used AI for it. Then it is flower slop. But it doesn't look like it. So it's pretty good.
Good.
You all won because you did not ask ChatGPT. Then Enteriano
Exactly.
with this very nice rendition. I like it a lot. Also with a little bee here coming in again to sip some nectar. Very cool, very nice. After that, Ultra Loser. No. Oh my god, there's sex in there. I mean a date. Everything you like to see. Very cool. Very nice indeed. Ceratopsucops then also with some insects here in the image. Ooh, a little beetle by the looks of it. A little weevil, I would say. Very nice. Wish all these want to look at all these pretty flowers. Good. And there's the Nemo with the little flowers here growing to the side of a larger branch. Nice. Aberrantologist coming in with these ones. Usually, aberrantologist, you can just go in with rather drape colors, but here I would recommend you to just turn on the saturation a little bit more.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Looks a little grayish.
Like
Yeah,
if they're bird pollinated, they are gonna be
yeah,
very bright. I think
they want to be a
bird-pollinated
little
things
bit
are-
a little more colorful.
I could be misremembering, but like bird pollinated stuff especially is extremely bright.
Yep. Then gaps here with this beautiful thing. I love how you have like the light being overblown a little bit, stuff, and yet you can still see like the light on the insect wings and stuff here. I think they're a little bit. I think they're a little bit too deeply cut here. The individual quote unquote petals should be a little bit shallower. That, but yeah, no. Otherwise, really cool.
Yeah, the baseline for all species is fused to at least up to 50% of the sepal.
Yeah. Then we have Sleepy T-Rex, also known as John 1000. Why? Why Sleepy T-Rex? Why would you do that?
It's Plants vs Zombies, apparently.
Yeah, I don't care.
Mm,
Then Freaky Soap Muncher with that's not a floor, it's a flower. I think it unlikely that they would come out like between two leaves like this. But they look very nice, nonchalant. Very cool indeed. Okay. And with that, we are shrinking the chat again. Floop. To have a look over what people voted next. Lovelia is on our
Woohoo.
list. I have to remind myself what it was again.
it's
Winton
it's a
flower.
very basal member of the laurel order, laurels.
Oh, that
Uh,
thing.
Do you know
Uh,
Calycanthus?
Sorry, what again?
Do you know the little extant shrub Calycanthus? Little shrub, oval leaves, kind of curly red flowers.
I don't think so.
Well, it is close, roughly, sort of close to that. Very basal laurel from the Winton Formation.
So we're going to Australia.
Winton
Mhm.
over what?
Okay,
think-
for those who know plant anatomy, what the hell am I looking at?
Flower.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're looking at a bud, basically. Here's a reconstruction.
Well, this is like a lot of these have seeds in them, so it's a bit later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You could say it's just a flower with razor small petals. Like maximizing seed and nectar space. Yeah, you can actually see it in the cross section here.
F is a top cross section, correct?
Yeah. Here's the side you see in the bulb. So you have the seeds sitting in there.
So it looks like this thing had quite a few petals and then a big
Tepals.
nectar area in the middle.
Yeah,
Think
Sarasticos
really?
also points out that
Tepals, okay,
time,
sorry.
not sepals or petals. So,
Yeah.
So the difference between a petal, a sepal, and a tepal. Petals are what you think of when you think of a petal. Sepals are when the structures directly below the petals act as the petals, and then tepals are when sepals and petals are indistinguishable.
Oh, joy.
Why did they name them like that? Like, what do you
It's-
mean
it's useful,
petal and
because it's
tepal?
developmental stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Describes different developmental origins. So, yeah. Pretty useful in my opinion. I think it's a fair shout.
I mean, it makes sense if they're not homologous.
Mm-hmm. Also, these are not large.
Yeah, I'm just
Yeah.
looking at the paper to see like what's the scale bar here on some of these.
1 millimeter.
My God, they're tiny. Yeah.
Yeah, 5 millimeter on the like figure 4. So these guys wouldn't even be like a centimeter.
Yep.
And unlike the previous one, I don't think we know what it was doing.
I mean, probably a tree.
Going after
Yeah.
tiny insects as pollinators, maybe.
Yeah, maybe thrips hung out in there actually.
Hmm.
Like thrips, some flies, like just maybe very early, but like moths or like very basal butterflies, like just small moths in general. "500 parasitoid wasps waiting for something to enter to hide."
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the description paper brings up that in many aspects it's similar to what is it called? Gomortega or something like that, which is a very
I was gonna ask, is that an extant plant?
yeah, it's a monotypic genus, a very early diverging L'Oreal, though not the earliest.
Could
I
you-
don't know. It's
Could you post a photo?
the fruits and flowers are quite different, but they apparently it's got quite a few similarities, and it would. I'm gonna be honest, L'Oreals don't differ all that much in growth habit.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, most of them also have this kind of leaf shape, so it's pretty safe to
wondering
go for
why are
something
they-
like this.
Why are they comparing it to that one?
Huh. Maybe it's more in the organization than in overall shape and stuff.
Potentially.
I assume this thing would just turn into like a fleshy fruit or something.
Probably. Yeah. And I would suspect that they had like big clumps of these flowers, as they are so small.
Ooh, I might have
Hey.
just struck gold.
No.
Another genus that they compare it with, Eupomatia. Let me grab some photos. Go on. Behold, this is another early L'Oreal, or I guess early diverging L'Oreal that they compare it to.
Yeah, that's about what I was expecting.
Yeah, that flower looks about right.
Okay.
Also, probably roughly similar size maybe similar size flowers. They're at least itty bitty.
Mm-hmm.
Is there anything else we should go over?
The fact that this is Australian.
Yeah, Winton
I mean-
Formation.
Oh,
mean, we
and
are-
interesting that they
they
come out of the like base next to one of the leaves there.
I mean, we
It
did
can't
go
have
over.
a single fleshy fruit because it has separate carpels, says Ceratocops.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So an
Oh, yeah, so
aggregate
those
fruit.
flowers would be coming out of the
Ah.
axillary buds.
But I have a
It's like
chart for this.
masonry.
Hang on.
That means nothing to me.
I'll get the
So
chart.
on quote unquote the top of each base of where the leaf connects to the branch, there's like a little bud that can form new growth, and a lot of flowers form from those bits.
Oh, okay. So it's okay. So the photo
And
reference I
basically how
have.
do.
Hey guys,
Yeah.
I remember Jules posted this a while ago at somewhere. Sending it to y'all. Oh, come on. The chart of fruit.
Ah, okay. Yeah, I was thinking, yeah, raspberries, blackberry stuff. Yeah, makes sense.
Honestly, learning about plants is so fun. I'm still very much a beginner, but it's made me appreciate the world even more. Because like you
Mhm.
appreciate things more when you know you can name them. It becomes more of a personal thing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I actually
think everyone
did
should at
like
least
I
know
was
the name of
taught
plants.
I was taught about like flower anatomy in primary school. The issue is I was taught in Spanish, so many of the terms are not the same and I barely remember them.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be like that.
Okay. I think we are equipped to tackle this.
Mm-hmm.
Shall we try? Okay. Let us start with Lavalia in 1, 2, 3, go.
Ooh. And Yash, you've already drawn this one before.
I did? Oh wait, no, yeah, true. I think I did.
Here it is.
Oh yeah, true. Yeah.
Okay, saying that he drew it when it's dots. I'm gonna be
It's-
honest.
I mean,
It
if it's
was
part of a
depicted
formation
by
piece, what
name
do
in
you
a piece of
expect?
paleo art. That counts.
I mean, what else would you depict it at from that distance?
I mean, I just don't think that it should count as something that Yash drew.
It's
So where do
drew-
you draw the line?
He drew the whole plant hypothesis.
Whole plant hypothesis.
Whole plant
No.
hypothesis moment. That's a very cool looking inflorescence. Wow. How big was the scale bar on the figure from the description paper again?
5
5
millimeters.
millimeters.
5 millimeters? Okay, thank you.
Yeah, this thing is tiny.
Cool.
If you draw it wrong, you're gonna accidentally draw an undescribed genus. That's what it feels like to me.
Wait, that's actually so true.
Yep. Okay, so yeah, it would be like a giant raspberry, almost. Well, not
mean,
giant. I remember the
Potentially.
size. It's like so it'd be like a normal raspberry.
I mean, depends.
Yeah,
Like
but
we are looking only
limitations.
at the flower, so the mature fruit, aggregate fruit could be bigger.
Hmm.
Yes, Ratasucop skimmed through the description, and the individual fruitlets would be fleshy.
Mhm.
Actual godsend having a person who's
Not
reading
draw.
through the stuff.
Mhm.
I barely had any time. I tried my best.
Oh no, I just mean like someone who's doing it as we're doing it, just so that there's like a double check.
It's
I
very,
shall
very
spread.
nice.
She'll spread misinformation.
Hmm.
Do not.
Why?
Don't plant the seed of misinformation. We can't go
shall.
that room.
Get it because plants.
Wouldn't be very fruitful, and I think you should leave it at the door. Don't let it take root. It's so easy to branch out into new areas with plant puns, it's great.
The
Got any
harvest
more?
of plant puns is indeed fruitful this year.
Guys, why do plants have to be so hard to draw?
Mm-hmm.
You're making it harder on yourself partly.
Oh,
Can't
this is so
entirely
true.
blame
Wait,
it
I
up.
should just
Isn't
not
that always the
draw.
case with fatigue?
Yeah,
Yes.
exactly.
I sort of wish Jules was here.
Don't
Yeah,
we
she
all?
said she might be able to make it, but I don't know where she is.
We can make these fruits whatever color we want, right?
Yeah.
I mean,
Yeah, pretty much.
are these actually the fruits? I mean, they sort of are.
I mean, well, the fruit. Wait, do laurel leaves have petioles? Yeah, okay, they have petioles. I'm an idiot. Okay, whatever.
It probably wouldn't be as complex as like a raspberry or anything like that. It would probably look more like oh, what is that? A salmonberry? Like,
Hmm.
hang on a
Salmonberry.
second.
Isn't that
No,
just,
I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
Isn't that just fish roe? Fish roe looks like berries.
Nah, it's an actual berry that grows up here. Yeah, salmonberry is like kind of like a
Tasty.
pale. They look like a pale kind of orangey raspberry.
Mm.
You look like a
Oh,
pale
I think I know what
orangey
you mean.
raspberry.
I know I do.
It's the funniest response you could give. Like, yeah, I know. What about it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
What of it?
that's how you
Yeah, what of it?
disarm people. Yeah, yeah. What of it? What you gonna do about it? You gonna fight me about it?
Yeah, what about it?
Catch me outside.
It's been so long since I've heard that one.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
You know, let's
I
make
think-
this
how long has
after
it
a
been since
rain
I've
and
heard that?
everything's wet and dripping.
Oh, I'm also doing mine after rain.
Yippee!
Can't believe you're copying Yash Petit.
I know 2 people called rain with different spellings. Isn't that interesting? Very interesting. What a small world we live in.
Time check.
12 minutes.
Yosh, I'm still in the leaves.
Well, me too.
What?
Oh, okay. Hey, stop hey, this guy's copying me now. This guy's copying me now. Joshua Kanupa plagiarism. Plagiarism arc. He's
Clearly been-
plagiarizing it.
Did you guys see that OpenAI is calling out Chinese AI companies for
Saw that from
stealing their
last year,
data?
yeah.
Oh my god.
Last year.
The irony!
That's LMAO.
Oh god.
It was their hard-earned data. They had to spend so much
Every
time
time I
stealing
see
it from
the
everyone
CEO,
else.
every time I see the CEO, I have this urge to punch him.
Yeah, Sam
He has a
Altman.
punchable face.
He has a very punchable face. Like that's the best thing I can ever say about this guy.
But guys, when did we stop punching dumb people? We should start punching people again. We should start assaulting people.
Hmm.
You know what's really funny is when he offered his own face for like people to use on that stupid video text to video app that he made.
Oh my god!
Like the
yeah.
entire app was just flooded with him getting abused and annihilated.
Yeah,
Hmm.
like, what did you expect, dude? Like, actually, what did you expect?
Seriously.
Like, I'm not justifying the glorification.
That
of
reminds
violence,
me
but
of
at the
that
same
one
time,
guy.
You kind of like you kind of invited it yourself.
At some point, there was a insurance company that was saying like, oh, our social security numbers are so safe. We printed the number of our CEO on the side of these trucks here that drive around town advertising for it. Immediately, a bunch of fraud cases popped up because they were not secure indeed.
Amazing.
Grief.
Genius.
Truly.
I mean, but if it worked out, that would have been interesting.
I think there are
Been
still
interesting.
cases they find with fraud being committed with his number to this day.
How long
That's
ago was it?
Really sad.
Several years.
Actually, kind of feel sorry for the dude.
I don't. He's working for an insurance company.
Oh yeah, actually, no. Yeah.
Okay, time
I think I'm
for
too
Live
empathetic
Lauer.
sometimes.
Time for the actual Morphotax, huh?
Yippee! I had to put some leaf damage onto these.
Mm-hmm.
And this is reminding me of William Soniella.
Petite, you should just draw a Benedictalian. Just draw it on
Yeah,
one.
just drop an Italian.
And Benedictalians are peak, so
Benedictalians were one of the examples I was bringing up of stem angiosperms. Like when I asked you.
yeah.
was
But are
curious,
they
like, 2 days ago.
really?
Yeah, they're
They're
generally
not
considered.
really.
I mean, they
Okay.
are, to my knowledge, they are stem angiosperms.
No,
Like,
I think that's a really outdated theory. I thought that they were closer to gymnosperms.
Uh,
That's why they
pa-
have cones.
the last review that at least Montana brought up, showing, or like because of the quote unquote Permian thing, showed them as a sister, like them, or not sister, but close to it.
That
Hmm.
is.
And this
I'm
is
not
based
a
off of,
scientist. I don't care.
and it's a phylogeny based off of reproductive structure stuff.
I mean, well, you could easily. I'm not gonna say that actually.
One of the worst, if I'm thinking of the right paper, one of the worst outcomes of that was, do y'all know nettails?
Yeah.
Sounds vaguely familiar.
Yeah, the clay that Ephedra, Welwitschia, and the very angiosperm-looking Netum are part of.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that was found to be within conifers, sister to the pine family.
Oh, that.
Which is supported by DNA.
Yeah, that's the worst part. It's supported by genetics, which is like, why?
This is the phylogeny from the paper that I'm referencing.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I don't know how to feel about that. That's unusual. But yeah, we did say only angiosperms, so whatever the case.
Yeah.
But that is
Also-
quite interesting.
You also notice the silly glossopterids.
What are they glossing over this time?
Yeah,
They will not. The puns. They will not stop.
Nope. Nope.
Oh, okay. Ceratosuchops spread through the paper further, and while the carpels are distinguishable, they are partially fused, so the developed fruit would also be at least partially fused.
Hmm.
So it would
also,
not be like a
here-
magnolia. So, yeah.
It's not from paper, it's from a book. Here's a link that Holtz posted from it because it was like I saw it as like conversation between them. Blue Sky. And it's from a 2018 book, so pretty recent. There's just no one looking into the phylogenetics of these. And that's the main issue.
Mm-hmm.
I can't. I need to get better at drawing plants. I really need to.
Same. 'I think I drew this wrong, but I don't care.
You're not so far.
That should be everyone's feeling about any extinct animal they draw. Or any extinct organism.
No, that would take the fun out of it.
Hmm.
Four minutes.
How many?
4.
Finally drawing the flower.
I'm also tempted to show like speculative fruit. But like fruits and how likely is it that fruits and flowers appear at the same time? Usually not.
I don't know any reason why they wouldn't have.
Like fleshy fruits and angiosperm flowers?
I mean,
Do you mean, like,
you usually have first cycle of
evolutionary-wise, or do you
flowers that then
mean-
gets pollinated and turns into a fruit. So usually you don't
Okay,
have
so
them
you're
at the
talking
same
at the
time on
same
the same
time.
twig.
I mean, wouldn't
I
it
thought you
be
were
Oh.
talking evolution-wise. I got so confused.
wouldn't, if anything, the fruit come first because fruitifications are something that happen a ton of times?
JW. He's meaning on an individual plant during a season.
I thought
No,
you meant like
no,
confused now.
I'm not.
You're confused. No, we understand what you mean now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm actually not sure.
Probably if they have a long flowering season. Depends on the plant.
Yeah, I'm not
Yeah,
sure.
I'd imagine it depends on the plant.
I'm not living in the tropics, so that makes. Otherwise, I might know examples of where this happens, but maybe Ceratoseucops knows it. But yeah.
Ratasucop, save us. Save us.
You're on our only hope.
Ceratosucops, Josh is asking whether the same plant can have both fruit and flowers at the same time.
If that ever occurs. I know, at least up here in the north, I have never seen that, but
Oh, that definitely does it occurs on at least some plants. Like I've seen that on blackberries around here. Hmm.
I think it might be too late anyway.
Nah. What's the time?
Don't say that.
1 minute.
No, don't say that.
Petite, it's over.
I'm just so glad to be getting, like, I would say ink down on paper, but I'm using digital art, so that doesn't really make sense.
Digital ink.
You're putting the
Pixels
pixels down.
down on the canvas.
There we go. Pixels down, yeah.
I'm quite happy how this looks.
I heard it.
It is indeed time. Time to post and to save, first and foremost.
Yes.
Oh, true, strawberries. I've seen that too, yeah. I could have done it. Okay. Saving Lovelia. Doop, 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 doop.
Ugh, JPEG quality was turned down. I'm sorry. That's potato, like, but that's all right.
I think outside the initial reconstruction that came out with the paper, this will be the first paleo art for this genus. I do not count my my thing in the Winton piece.
Yeah, that's fair. That's reasonable.
And yet, when I say it, you all are against me.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I looked at the phylogeny in the paper, and some of the closer relatives have like paired flowers, which is interesting. Could not be the case in these guys. It could be. We don't know. Yeah, it's like Atherospirmaceae.
Okay.
Doobie doo. Doobie doobie doo. What doobie doobie doo. My God. I just had a quick look over on Instagram because someone sent me a message, and I had my timeline still open, and first thing I see there is like a young woman just looking into the camera, slightly distressed looking, and the text reading, "One devastating fire at a furry convention could probably cripple the entire cybersecurity industry in a single night."
That is a horrifying thought,
That
actually.
is a horrifying thought, but
Okay.
also deeply funny. In a
Really
dark
is.
way. Okay. Let's have a look what people drew. Maybe even a petite drawing will be among these.
Oh my gosh. You guys suck. You guys suck.
I try. We first have John 1000 coming in with Lovelia here. Yeah, that's something. Anyway, next we have... Ooh, nice. We have Raven here with fruits and flowers of this little guy. Very cool, very cool. I would suspect the flowers would be a little bit... hard to say. I mean, I mostly, like in my mind, went a little bit more towards what they have in the paper, but we don't have the quote-unquote petals. I forgot the actual term again. Blep. With T. That thing. Then a genius with also, again, flowers and fruits of this guy. Very cool. Nice. And gaps. Oh, it's another close-up here. Very cool. I love the dark, gloomy look to it. Again, it could be right after rain, you know? Then we have another fake mon. Curse you, Captain Trululu. But it looks very nice nonetheless. I think the outer surface wouldn't be that grooved. When you look at the fossils, they are quite smooth from the outside, I would say. Although, maybe slightly in the living one. But you can see it in cross-section here, how the outer parts here are razor smooth. But yeah. Then we'll branch with... oh, you're doing this all on one canvas, Antoriano. Interesting.
Yes.
Nice. That's a cool idea. With leaves and flower buds on a little twig. Very cool. And we have a close-up by JW. I love the color on this one. Very cool. Maybe the flowers themselves could use a little bit more shading, like to show the volume a little better, considering how direct the lighting is. But yeah, very nice. Then Ultra Loser with is that a sneaky Winton Titan or Diamantinosaurus coming into view here? Nice. With a little flower from looking up to it. And then we have one by Dynamo. Very cool. That looks indeed like a laurel. Then Lolpie with leaf slop. My God, so much slop tonight. And also some leaf damage. Very nice. Also, again, I like the colors here. That's very cool. And then next, ooh. Wait, that's Floresantia. I was about to say. with the flowers just opening by the looks of it. Very nice. That looks pretty. And right after Lovelia on with alternating leaf flower arrangement. Very cool. That works well. That looks like it could make a really nice tapestry pattern, honestly, or like
Oh, true,
fabric
yeah.
pattern.
No, I can totally see that. Yeah.
Next, Ceratoseucops with 2 little flowers together here. Very cool. Nice, nice. Honestly, something that I could see like experimenting with, like instead of having this alternating thing, like trying to have like bigger fluorescence with like a few dozen of these lining up, like in a row or like in a little bush of flowers. Although I don't know how common this is with laurels. But then, Freaky Soap Muncher, my name is Soapwin. What? I made the level.
Gosh.
It was difficult to put the organs together. Yeah, I know the feeling. I try
Yosh,
to be a
it's
surgeon one
reference to a
too.
meme. It's a reference to a meme, Yosh.
That is, I'm completely oblivious to that, and I do not care. I reached the
Don't
age where I
actually.
sometimes look at chat messages and I wonder what language is it. I think that looks very nice nonetheless. Then we have Aberrantologist. When bloom, it won't be for you. What? Oh. That's so sad. But also poetic. Anyway, very nice stuff indeed that I see there in chat. Let me zoom out here again. And there we go. Properly fitting that in. Okay. Zeus who know, yes, Zeus who know. I am certainly not in the know. It's just you will get it when you're older. Anyway, it's time for a legume.
Holy shit.
Let's
okay.
draw some beans, or rather the flowers of beans.
Beans,
The thing
beans, the
is-
magical fruit. The more you eat, the more you toot.
Oh, Dragon
The
Girl
thing with this,
27
though,
also
we
coming in
don't
last
actually
second here.
have the flowers of it. It is just a bean pod.
It is the fruit.
It is. It literally just is.
It
the
is the
fruit.
fruit.
So here,
Dragon girl.
Leguminocarpum. That's it. It's taxonomic entities
Beans.
are uncertain, but I'd assume that it would be something more basal. Personally, just like out of my own opinion. So like looking at maybe the subfamilies. This is like entirely actually. You know what?
You know what?
I'm not gonna
Here's
put in circulation. Should I put in circulation? Because the paper, the description paper, literally states. Let me.
Oh, you know what? Petite, I actually have a good comparison of a different species of the genus.
Amazing.
But isn't like this like
But
like
yeah,
a
it's
genus,
more of
a
a
form
form
genus for like
taxon, if
all these
anything.
fruiting bodies of lagoons?
Petite, did you specify species?
I did
think there was a
specify
specific-
species.
Petite, why? Why would you
Because
do
I
this?
felt like drawing.
Mm-hmm.
I felt like drawing one from the Cretaceous specifically.
I was gonna say you have this other one that shows like really grouped together ones. That's very interesting.
Wait, let me see. Oh, there it says here. Almensis from Mexico.
It's funny.
Yeah.
The species name, it's named after the Olmos formation, and Olmos means elms. It's like another plant.
Incredible.
That's.
Oh
really
wait, I
cool.
just see there's a scale bar here. Ooh, okay, so it's not that small. Like what? That would be centimeter.
It's funny how they're
Like,
shaped like bananas.
4.5 centimeters, I would say.
Yeah, about that.
This
Roughly?
reminds me of like bird vetch in a way, like the pods that you see on bird vetch.
Mm-hmm.
So this is an
Uh,
excerpt from the paper. Do of it what you will. Basically, you can kind of go crazy if you want. You can do like. Actually, I admittedly didn't look into molecular clock stuff for Fabaceae, so
Oh, interesting.
there's the Wikipedia.
Wait, what was this what for the formation was this? Was it Pueblo? Oh, so
Almost
almost up. Of course, yeah, no. Anteriano said that.
Yeah.
Because I know the Cerro del Pueblo formation also has like some cool stuff. But if it is roughly the same age, it's Campanian. This might be actually part of a rainforest. Then
Mm-hmm.
let's have a look at the paper here. Actually, oh, they
I
actually
think
draw
there's
some
open
comparisons
access.
to living beans here.
Yeah.
Okay. They could grow in like rows. Theory. There's like one of the families here that is mentioned that has this really nice arrangement, which could be cool for flowers as well as the beans. The Circidoi day.
I'm probably. I mean, me personally, I'm gonna reconstruct it as a Circeoidean
Mm-hmm.
because we have an extinct leaf taxon from that subfamily.
Okay.
That there is. That would you can do whatever basically. They really just did not draw any direct comparisons
Yeah.
as per the extract which I copy pasted in.
Beige.
A bean.
Actually, let me quickly grab something. Maybe there's no. Is there a bean overview?
Bean overview.
What, like all Legos?
Bean review.
Bean review. I like beans. Beans, Jack.
They have
The DNA of the cowboy.
incredibly varied flowers too.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah. I mean,
Yeah, I'm
lagoons
looking at
are a huge group.
Fabaceae.
Yeah.
The aforementioned
It's like-
clover.
Do whatever, basically.
Yeah. But like, wait.
Just remember that whatever you do, the ovary of the flower should look like a bean.
Oh, we're beaning it.
Eeny, meeny, chili beanie.
There's, I was hoping there is like an overview of like the pods,
Yeah.
like
not
in
really.
what colors they can appear. Like, yeah, of course, most of them are greenish. But I was thinking like
I
it
mean-
would be funny if we would make them yellow.
There's
There are
definitely
some yellow
looking flowers.
Flowers. I'm looking
No,
at one
I mean,
right now,
yes,
actually.
the flowers, sure, but I was thinking specifically the beans or the bean pods.
I mean, let me.
I mean, wax beans are a thing. They're kind of yellowy.
Yeah.
Almost all of them are brown when dry.
Yeah,
green
I'm
when
looking
they're
at
still
you,
growing.
peanuts. This is also something we should mention this, as it is like from the Cretaceous. You can easily have this as hadrosaur food.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, that should be mentioned.
That should be mentioned. I mean, we know that like early Paleocene mammals probably like used lagoons as like power food.
Mhm.
They were very common afterwards, and they were already rather common beforehand. So I
Mhm.
wouldn't be surprised if quite a few, especially hadrosaurs, really liked these things. And my God, imagine the flatulence.
No.
Maybe tootin'.
The methane.
Mm,
The
yes.
methane.
Not just Lambeosaur's crest were tooting back in the day.
My point exactly. Oh yeah.
So I assume that like these would just be like dehiscent and just open up whenever.
Probably.
Yeah. According to Calvin on Twitch, Critosaurus is from here. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Captain Trololo, would sauropods like this? Probably, but I don't think we have sauropods from here. So
I mean, Alamus. Oh wait, no, this is too early for Alamosaurus.
yeah,
There was probably a sauropod
there were
somewhere
probably
vaguely
sauropods
nearby.
around. Yeah, but it's like, if you want to play it safe,
Un-
there's always a hadrosaur in the late Cretaceous.
Mm-hmm. Oh, sauropod. This would definitely be within reach of sauropods. Like, it would be just on some kind of tree.
Also, to give people an idea of the sort of the growth that
Mhm.
PFAS, having to send a video into stream materials. Little time lapse.
Ooh, wait. What
Oh.
do I see here? Is this a potential flower?
What?
I don't know. Google gave me something. A legume flower from when is this actually? Upper Cretaceous? Is there no abstract?
Oh, that says
Oh, wait,
pet
there.
flower. Okay. You know when I
Ah,
can't read? I'm an idiot. Come on, give me a wait. Okay. I was looking at it like that.
these old papers are so badly structured. My God, that's a short paper. Where was this published? In Nature?
Nature.
Okay, here we go. Here's an actual.
No,
video
in
of
Science.
PFAS.
Yeah.
The other one.
The
That's
other
PFAS
bad
in
one.
blood. For reference, if you want to draw that sort of thing.
Yeah, no, I'm not reading through all of this. This is really badly structured. I think we just hop in and hope for the best. I think
Oh
have...
gosh, do we have the same idea?
Who can tell? Who can tell? We shall see at the end.
Lord, that's stupid.
He do something else fast.
No, no. I came across this by myself. This is convergence.
All by myself, plucked right out of your brain. Okay, I am ready to go, I think. let us start with this lagoon in 1, 2, 3, go.
Not a very nice reference image. I swear, if this is like some like dehiscent stuff that I just don't understand, and that this isn't something this plant would actually do. There's like a decent chance. It feels like.
There always is.
I feel like my original plan that I gave up on because it would be boring was gonna be drawing out like prepared specimens, like how you would put in a arboretum.
Ah.
Ooh.
That's so funny because that's actually what I was actually thinking. You know what? I'm just gonna be lazy. Well, not lazy. I'm just gonna be. I'm gonna take the. I was thinking earlier. I'm gonna take the easy route, and I'm just gonna draw all of them as like pressed specimens. But then I was like,
Yeah.
you know what? No, I don't feel like it anymore. I kind of wish I stuck to that one now. I mean, I can do it, but I like this idea that I have.
You could do it for the fourth one.
What's the fourth one? I can't remember. Sigeria.
Scaria.
Yeah.
If I can't think of an interesting couple, you know what? I might just do press specimens and just do 2 sketches this week. I might just do it like. I might just make 8 sketches. That wouldn't be so bad, would it?
Would you want to do that?
Maybe.
Would you regret it?
Maybe.
You should do it. I think it'd be silly.
Only one way to find out.
Worst case scenario, if you're just not feeling it, you could just not do it.
Yeah, this is true.
What's the shape? How do I? So is the holotype like 2 fruits right next to each other, or is it one split in half?
It's one split in half down the
Yeah.
section.
Okay. Okay, awesome. I was pretty sure it was that, but I just wanted to make sure. Why don't they just make new genera for stuff like this when they're like, oh, this is a taxa for all of, like, basically a wastebasket. They acknowledge it's a wastebasket. Why not just make a new genera, or make a new genus?
Because it's about morphology rather than
Plants.
systematics.
Yeah.
The science does not require it at the moment, just because no one's like.
It's just utilized in different ways. It's kind of like the whole confusion about the whole plant hypothesis thing.
What do you mean?
So, like, Lepidodendron is Lepidophyllum, Lepidodendron, and then like 2 other different taxa.
Sigillaria or something?
No,
Yeah,
that's not Sigillera. That is something else. Oh, what's it called?
There's a genus for
Gross.
the bark. There's a genus for the roots. There's a
For the
genus
roots,
leaves,
yeah,
and
yeah.
there's
For
a
the
genus
roots,
for the stems,
it's
and
oh
all of
god.
that forms the whole plant hypothesis of the Lepidodendron tree, which is what I mean. Like, people, it's not intuitive to people who are used to vertebrate taxonomy, especially dinosaur people, for some odd reason. I have no clue why. I have no possible theory as to why dinosaur people would be confused by this.
It's almost like plants can have like
Stigmaria, thank you, Serratus Yukos.
Yeah,
Stigmaria,
Stigmaria, that
yeah.
was it. It sounds similar to Sigillera.
like I was talking with Petite that like there are some plants that can have like 10 morpho species on them.
Mm-hmm.
For example, the one that I would bring up if asked, Quercus. Like certain species of that have different leaf morphologies depending on where you are in the canopy, and would be probably different species.
I know that one very well.
Jasper Silly 100. Welcome to the stream. Thank you for the follow.
Welcome.
I hope you are prepared to be silly because we are doing plants today, and plants are very silly. Specifically, right now we are doing a lagoon from the Cretaceous.
A bean.
A bean, indeed. A fart machine.
A fart machine for Cretosaurs.
Indeed.
Many other things.
That was, yeah. Brain not braining lately, Will. Time check.
According to Kelvin, it might be distinct from Cretosaurus, a specimen from, yep. I mean, if it's a Cretosaurine, that also works. There
Written us for
are...
time
most Cretosaurians look quite similar, and we have 13 minutes left.
13 minutes, thank you.
How many Cretosaurians are hot garbage materials? So it looks like they're similar.
I will not comment on that.
Let's all
Pretty
thank
sure
the
we have a lot of
scientists.
pretty good Cretosauri materials, though.
Oh yeah, no, I know Cretosaurus itself. I'm pretty sure has good material.
I think many of them are pretty good in that regard.
I mean, we can all thank a particular parachute scientist for.
I have zero clue who you're referencing.
Longridge.
Longridge.
Ah,
Eh,
I mean, I'm not wrong. It's literally the reason.
yeah.
These must be different dinosaurs because Mexico had higher diversity. No, you just got this
Because different
particularly
place.
Weird, as per that one paper released like 2 years ago now, I think.
can people just remember that, like how wide range megafauna has today and has always had? Like as far as we go back into the fossil record. People
Depends on the
remember that?
megafauna, but yeah. The possibility is there.
More common than not, let's say.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I've kind of cooked myself.
Same.
In a good or bad way.
Bad,
Bad.
very, very, very bad way.
I guess get better.
Get good.
Get good.
Yeah.
Should have used more
Yeah, get
spices.
Oh my gosh, I just looked up. We do have the same idea.
There.
This is stupid. I hate it here.
You're welcome.
I can't tell what Yash is doing.
I know what he's
Oh,
doing
wait.
because I'm doing the exact same thing.
Oh, Yash, you're just drawing the Longridge taxa. It's the exact same preserved material.
Oh my gosh. You're thinking of the Well,
Cahulosaurus or
one,
whatever.
right?
I'm thinking of like Cahulosaurus or whatever it's called.
Coelosaurus.
Yeah,
Coahuilasaurus?
Yeah, Cahulosaurus. Yeah.
Yeah, Coelosaurus. I thought Coelosaurus was more. Oh, that's. I
No,
shouldn't be surprised.
Cahulosaurus is not good.
I shouldn't be surprised by this at all, actually. Oh no, I'm surprised.
If it is, the name is correct, and yeah, the specimen itself is nicely preserved,
Yeah, I won't say that it isn't nicely
but
preserved. It
it's
is.
not much, unfortunately.
Guys, Xenovenator.
Don't,
Oh god.
don't.
I love the
What in
illegal
the
fossil
Bone
trade.
Wars. What in the Bone Wars is happening with the parachute scientists in Mexico and North Africa?
Oh my god. Yeah, I follow a paleontologist that yeah, he's been affected by that kind of shit. So
Guys, it isn't a competition. Like, I don't know, guys. Hashtag men.
seriously.
It is wild how many dinosaur tags like descriptions this year have some sort of controversy attached to them.
Are you shit talking the my precious Gilmore Larson Tyrannus?
What? Oh wait. Wasn't that 2025?
I forgot about that.
I think
Me
it might have
too.
been 2025.
It
but you
went,
know what? Close
Yeah,
Yeah, I
enough.
know. It was last year.
It went into that one ear and went out the other when I saw the name.
Pretty sure Polydon was the one from this year.
Gilmore Larson Tyrannus. Oh, and my suffering.
I love that he
Shut up. Gilmore
I love that he made Almasaurus worse.
On that note, I recommend everyone to listen to the podcast Weird and Dead on YouTube. They have a very nice new episode out right now about paleontology and the Epstein files and everything related to that.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh yeah, so you guys discussing that one.
Time check.
7 minutes, 40 seconds.
Raven, you've doomed me. It's all your fault, Raven.
I'm
What
trying to
did
see how many
Raven do?
beans I can draw.
No, it's all your fault. It's all everything's your fault.
Hey, I take full responsibility.
Damn.
no.
I love just using reference images because this is more rendering practice for me than anything else.
This is actually like it's so over. It's
No,
so
it's-
over.
Honestly, I'm having a lot of fun growing flowers.
No, this has been very fun.
We should force people to draw plants more often.
You know
Alright.
what? we
Nobody
should
is
do
forced.
also?
That's the thing. For all the people who are complaining, you are not forced to draw. You can see it
You
by the
know-
number
you know
watching right
what
now.
would be
You're
fun,
not forced
actually?
to draw.
So,
Yeah, we had
like,
several
Lunar-
people crash
Lunar,
out and
you-
go, "Yeah, bye, not doing this anymore." So it's all good.
You know how Lunar New Year is coming up? We should do a horse flocking.
We should absolutely do a floor.
I was meaning
Oh,
to
yeah,
bring that
next
up
week's
next
flocking
week.
will be the first flocking in the year of the horse.
I was meaning to,
Horse flocking.
I was meaning to bring that up actually next week. I've been watching the days go by.
Oh, that would be unbridled peak.
Also, it would-
Unbridled.
It would
I
bring
saw
a
what
lot
you
of
did there, and I
controversy.
hate it. Just as I hate drawing horses.
No, you hate
Exactly.
drawing. You hate drawing equines. Be more
I
specific.
don't think he'd have much more fun with Anchitherians.
Maybe slightly
No,
more.
but then you have all the toes. Then you have all the toes, and some even touching the ground in some genera.
They should touch grass. Wait, no, that's equines again.
Touch leaves.
This is exactly why we need a horse flocking.
Shitting me.
Yeah,
5
you're kinda
minutes.
falling for their bait. Can't lie with you, dude. I can't really defend this one. Kind of falling for it.
We can work together to make it an unofficial horse flocking.
Mm-hmm.
I
Horse Flinko.
That's
I coerced invertebrate flocking. I could do it again.
Mm-hmm.
yeah, we should do that.
Why does everyone want to see me suffer?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
4 minutes. Every time you want to see me
Guys, it's
suffer, I
actually
should
so
shorten the timer.
It's so over.
I'm already pretty much done.
Oh, well,
Well,
good on you.
woohoo.
Yeah. Congratulations. So salty for no reason. What's going on?
I
I'm the
just
same way, it's
gotta
okay.
I just gotta blur the background and I'm done.
Yay.
Let me do some last minute checks with the seed pod morphology. Let me see if there's anything. This could be a little bit different. Why are these legumes sort of shaped like a banana?
I mean, many are.
A lot of legumes are shaped like
It's
that.
a bean.
Yeah, I'm saying like particularly here.
Hmm.
Feels like a little bit
Why are you
more than
particularly
usual.
shaped like one?
I don't think I am.
I don't know what you look like.
Wait, what was the assertion?
I am a banana.
That I look like a banana?
I don't even know what that
no,
implies.
not,
even
not,
know
what
not,
that
not last time I checked.
I don't have like what is it, jaundice that
again.
makes like skin
Jaundice.
I was just thinking about shape, not color. If that was that, then I'd say
No.
that was a banana.
Oh no.
Dynamo, check very closely next time in person.
Mm-hmm.
there.
You should not underestimate jaundice.
Why did I do this to myself? Why did I choose such a hard composition? And why am I continuing to draw it as I say this?
And as
Oh,
you
that's right. It's because I'm goaded. and
as you crash out as Yash is drawing the same thing, according to you.
No, I'm choosing something different. I'm depicting flowers.
Actually, I'm cooking with this. I'm kind
The
of proud
overall
of myself.
composition is the same, but the subjects are different.
1 minute.
I'm still drawing the leaf petioles. This is stupid.
Curse you, Petit, for making this a specific species.
I wanted a Cretaceous one specifically.
There's probably other Cretaceous ones, I would assume.
I'm simply not
You're another Cretaceous one.
not showing that much details.
Purposely making sure not to draw any animals because the focus isn't on them.
10 seconds. Well, it's time. I say like Mariah Carey opening a glass of beans.
All I want for Christmas is beans.
Beautiful. Show me your beans.
Mr. Bean.
And I should probably save.
Probably.
Yeah, probably, dude.
Leguminocarpum going into chat. Oh, come on. Ah, there we go. Boop. Boop. Oh, actually, maybe this works better with a little bit more contrast.
You love that contrast.
You'll love to see it. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's nice.
Yuriano, you didn't even draw the fossil tag. Oh wait, wait, yeah, no. Did you even draw the
No, I
fossil tags?
I didn't. I came here to draw flowers. I'm going to draw flowers.
That's pretty though.
Thank you.
Feel like there's a way you could have done both.
In 20 minutes?
It's just a bean.
You could have drawn a semi-wilted flower with the pea pod.
I thought
stomach
about it,
standing out.
but was too much
Yeah,
work.
that's fair. That's fair. It's your drawing. I'm just like giving my 2 cents.
Yeah, but I
For-
did think about it.
Before I forget it, I'm also posting it in Stream Gallery because I already forgot Lovelia. Trying all the different shades of green. Captain Trollolo is suggesting a stem echinodon flocking. Do you want to die? By which I mean I wouldn't kill you, but the echinoderms could.
You would know from experience.
If I was especially evil, I would suggest a crinoid flocking, but I will not.
Ooh.
I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind.
Anybody up for
Just more-
fractals? Any more fractals? Yippee!
Hmm.
Finally,
I
a
wouldn't
good
mind
use
drawing
for
some,
the
like-
symmetry tool. Oh wait, no, they also move. I cannot use the symmetry tool every time.
Honestly, the fact that they move, at least in my opinion, actually makes that easier to draw because like drawing symmetrical stuff is annoying.
Yeah, but there's very crinoid organization is very rigid.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let us increase chat. And have a look what people posted, starting with Entriano, who did all the pretty hypothetical flowers on this lagoon. Very nice, very good indeed. Very pretty colors. Lolpie coming in with the only real reconstruction that is counting here. Bean. Wait. We have. There. That's the emoji you're looking for. Okay, then JW with one of these beans opening. Yes.
Nice.
Showing all the fruits inside. Excellent. Very cool. All that protein. Afterwards, gaps with thriving on the eggshells of dragons. Very cool. I love the idea using here dinosaur eggshells as fertilizer, basically for them. Very cool. Then another fake one by Captain Trololo. Where's the bean in there though? Where's the bean? Well, anyway. Then, very cool, Raven. I love the shape. Very nice. And with the beans like maturing alongside it here, that is cool. Then Ceratosucops also here with a branch with leaves and some matured opening beans ready to release their seeds into the world. Very nice. And then tragedy. I mean, Aberrantologist. I'm not sure that's a tragedy. They are just laying there in the mud and could be potentially sprouting from there. Like, I mean, the Hadrosaur basically made them a little flower bed.
Aberrantologist removed the thing saying that they were lovers.
Oh no. They were on date night. Damn. And then there we have our bean being consumed by Critosaurus or a Critosaurine. Very nice indeed. Yes, good. Make them consume. Oh, and Ultra Loser with a night shot. Very cool. At least I assume based on the lighting here. Some time traveler looking for beans in the undergrowth, and the local gastropod fauna exploring that possibility as well. Very good indeed. Okay. Floop. I don't actually think flocking will be significantly longer tonight. Yes, we might need a little bit longer to look for references, but the showcase is just so much shorter.
Yeah, because barely anyone's here.
There's like 10 of us drawing.
If that.
Yeah, only the good people. You all
True.
should get a special badge.
Oh, that looks good, Interiano.
Here's the last dude.
The last dude. Ooh. For this guy, we actually have... Yeah, a little bit more here. Nice.
Yeah,
Here's one
scale
from-
bar is 1 centimeter
Oh, so again,
for both of them.
pretty small. But we actually see here how they are connecting. And is that a leaf next to them?
Yes.
Oh.
They compare the leaf morphology. Let me get it up.
It looks a little bit oaky. Oh, it's a ranunculaceae. Okay.
It is affinity. Like, it's not in the text box on Wikipedia, but it is AFF. It's probably like an outgroup to like actual ones or something.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Small
it's-
herbaceous guy either way, right?
Yeah, so
possible second
no
body.
trees this time, which is nice. Okay, like this, yeah, I can see that. Also, it doesn't look that deep cut in. Also, maybe that part is missing. Oh, it's hard to say. Is there a better description or like better photo of this thing? Oh, there's a paper.
Ceratosuchops is saying those are fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, these are the fruit.
Yash here is a better image, more specific. Like,
Great. PDF is linked on Wikipedia, but the link is not working. Okay, it's from the Albion of Italy.
oh wait, if these are follicles, like okay, so dry thing that opens up to release seeds.
Ah, there we go. Ah, there are some better close-ups of the leaves. Good. Oh yeah, no, actually you can see how deeply cut it is. In it is. Part of, like the big part of it is missing. But still.
So this is like a seed
Here
pod.
you can see how it would connect here and stuff. Let me increase contrast. So see how it would go here. So yeah, it's kind of similar to what you posted there, that leaf. Follicle sign. Okay. Stratosuchops, do you have like a living example
Oh wait,
how that would look?
Stratosuchops. Is it like oh yep, I was about to post that same image.
Oh yeah, we have these. Okay, I see.
Yeah. Okay, so it's just like 3 of those. But they're a bit more robust and shorter than in the reference.
Yeah. And potentially fused by the look? It's hard to tell. It's flattened.
Let me look over if there's anything.
I would
Oh
say
wait, no,
that
actually, like
it's kind
in
of
one of these images, you can
the
see
point.
the distinction between the different pods.
Yeah, it's 3 separate fruitifications.
Yeah. In wait, didn't I have this here already? Ah, yeah.
Degree of fee.
Down here you can
Okay, they
you
bring.
can see the distinction.
Okay, best preserved specimen shows a degree of fusion reflecting about 3/4 of the distance from the base to the distal tip.
Yeah.
This might represent actual developmental degree of fusion, or might represent a stage in which all the follicles were fused and a dehiscence occurred. So potentially they would have been fused together like for 3/4 of the way until it opened up to release the seeds.
Hmm. What's the name of the flower we have in our garden that has very, very similar pots? God damn it. It could be.
Yeah, I posted an image ref for what the flower or what the leaves are compared to. They're like 3-lobed,
Mhm.
but you can sort of see based off of the images of the specimen that they're a little bit different.
So no flowers for this one either?
Nope. Nope.
Well, okay.
This is another seed pod.
Yeah, Googling Sagaria brings up apparently a Pokemon character is named Sagaria in German. So like half of the results in Google Images are that character.
God damn it.
You can see figure D what sort of the leaves are like a little bit closer up. I forgot what formation this guy's from.
Oh, wait, I have the paper still open. Let me quickly check. Ooh, it also
just realized
says here in the abstract what
um,
other flowers it was, plants it was associated with. Associated fossils include
think it's safe to say that you
Pagiophyllum,
make it
Podocymites, and
yes.
Zemites. So you would have Benedictarians and stuff, and conifers here. Main axis is 8 centimeter long. So what do we have preserved there? It's a Plattenkalk, quote unquote Plattenkalk deposit. Okay, geological setting. Does it even have a name?
You could control F formation.
I don't think this place this formation has a name. Let me check.
Let me.
Formation.
It says Albumi Mounts, I think.
Nope. It has. This
Albumi.
has not a name. Just a site.
Give me a second.
At least
let
in this paper.
Let me just. Google that locality. Oh, there's a whole vegetation thing on it from 2010.
Oh, cool.
Must click.
Yeah, this paper here is
Must do a
from 27.
Apparently, there are a lot of crustaceans from the site.
Yeah. Oh, actually, I should also get like this screenshot
Oh my gosh.
here.
Is this a whole list? What is forest region? Paper presents a photocystological study. Limestone. Highest proportion of forest covered land, low pressure. Oh wait, no. This is the modern one.
Yep. You can nicely see here in this image here of the full specimen, how like the axis here is like going like alternating left and right with the leaf placement, basically, or like at the end here with the fruiting bodies.
Yeah, there's not much. This is the most famous thing from there, seemingly.
Yeah. I'm not surprised. I mean, like what the other genera in that paper there seem like your run of the mill Cretaceous stuff.
Hmm.
This guy would be. Oh, actually, let me quickly check some modern relatives, like for the overall shape of the plant. Could
I mean, this
this
is a very diverse group.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
it's-
still, like based on like this alternating leaf placement, maybe you get an idea for something.
So, sorry, I popped out for a bit. Is this thing at least likely within ranunculales?
Probably.
No, I mean, it's right outside of it.
We've got a
Probably.
really well preserved actual ranunculale from Crato Formation, if that would help.
That could help.
Yeah.
That could help.
Centenniella. I tried to find any
Course it would
mention
be
of
named
this
after.
Italian guy in the paper, but I haven't found one yet.
There is the one I was looking for. The genus we have in our garden that actually has quite similar leaves and similar looking pods. In German they're called Akelei. And they have beautiful flowers. I do not recommend to draw them because they are very complex. But I'm wondering, oops, why did that suddenly? Wait, where did my tab go? Where did it go? No.
It went to the shadow realm.
Apparently, did it close? It did not. Where did it go? It's not in my recently closed stuff. Oh wait, I will find it again. Okay, lie. Genus Aquilegia. But here's like a full plant thing, and you see how similar the leaves are.
Mm-hmm.
This is Columbine, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, that's Columbine.
Actually, let me check what is it called in English.
Here's the Crato fella.
Oh yeah, columbines. So
Yeah.
the genus of columbines.
Oh, I've got these growing like crazy in my garden. Yeah.
Yeah.
Not now. It's snowy and cold out. I hate it. But, you know.
No, but like we like, because we have them quite plenty in our garden. We like to like collect the seed pods and put them everywhere. You can also nicely cross them with each other, stuff like get nice colors out of it.
Yes. I actually have a couple of them that I've been trying to cultivate because they are throwing out albino flowers, white flowers.
Ooh, nice. Yeah, we have some white ones too. Also, I think you can get quite nice blue or purple ones out of this. So for people who want to do like potential flowers, that is a thing you can do. But importantly, they also do some alternating growth here.
White,
so you can go this very erect herbaceous form.
Sometimes the interior coloration is a yellow or a white or a paler version of whatever color the petals are.
Yeah. But also importantly, as you can see in the last image here, you have the seed pods, the fruiting bodies, and the flowers existing on the same plant, because they come like alternating. Like the first flowers go up and then they turn into seed pods, and then the next group of flowers opens and stuff. So you can show both, like the actual fossil that we have here, as well as the hypothetical flowers. Okay. With that, I think we will jump in. Grabbing the timer. Okay, let us start with this beautiful little thing called Sagaria. Not the Pokemon, please. I beg of you.
I looked it up. It's not even a Pokemon.
It's not?
It's just like
it's
a
a
character.
human.
It's a character.
It's a character. Okay.
Also, Yash, you know what's gonna happen now.
I will need to mass ban people, maybe. Anyway, let us start in 1, 2, 3, go.
You know what, Yash? That's true. You should mass ban people.
For those curious, the character I posted on other talk text is Sagaria.
You
In German, at
posted it?
least. In other talk text.
Not the Pokemon
I
that's
do
a
not
grown
want to
woman.
incur-
Oh no.
And Serato Sucops also posted like an a close-up of these flowers. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Someone should just make the holotype, but like as a preserved specimen.
I mean, there are a lot of because it is quite similar to like some modern day Ranunculaceae. There's a lot of references you can use in that direction.
I'd honestly love to see like a messel display with like a bunch of fake like collections like for both insects and plants.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That reminded me. A few days ago, I stumbled upon my old sketches again for a book, Pocket Prehistory.
Oh, that, yeah.
An idea to have like a little book, and everything in there would be life-sized.
That would be cool.
Huh.
The only thing is that this like we are in a formation stream world.
I mean, I was thinking like just amassing it over time, similar to Monkey Cruise.
I was gonna say also another project of yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Too many
mean,
ideas, too
you
little
could also-
time.
You could also definitely get Jules to help you out with some plant reconstructions in a similar vein.
I mean, you could have like Pocket Prehistory. There's nothing with animals on the title, so you could also have some plants in there.
Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
saying.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's funny because you were saying, you can draw them purple, and it's like they come in any other color because like that is literally one of the few colors that grows consistently up here is like the blues and the purples.
I mean, for the flowers or for like the seed pods?
The
Oh,
seed
for the
plots
flowers. The
pods
seed pods are kind of
yeah, they're green and go into brown when they dry. Yeah, there is they are like whatever.
Yeah, though. I feel like there's a decent chance that if we did find the flowers, they would be put under a different taxa.
Hmm.
Oh, probably.
Guaranteed.
I mean, that's
Unless
how
you find them
Paleo-botany goes.
connected.
I mean, even then, they would probably be given, I would assume,
mean-
another name.
Maybe, but at that point, you would at least know. Oh, hey, we can make an actual concept of an organism out of this.
I'm so glad I take photos of all my Columbine every year.
Mm-hmm.
I think the like little wispy things at the top that
Mm.
are present in like some of the images because those are so easy to come off.
Mm-hmm. Yellow and white tend to be pretty common for like the whole order, at least flower
Oh, yeah.
color from what I'm seeing. But also reds, purples.
I have some varieties that are purple with a yellow throat, and they are one of my favorites.
Ooh,
Hmm.
nice. What's the leaf shape of this thing again?
Three-lobed, sort of. I posted some images. You can see, I think, like
Okay.
in figure D, you can see.
Mm.
I mean, that it just kind of looks like random lobed in general, rather
It
than.
is
Many
tri-
lobes.
It's tri-lobed specifically, like you. I posted a thing that they compare it to. Also,
Oh, did you?
It's-
Oh.
yeah, it's tri-lobed, and then you have like some smaller lobes on each
Oh,
of them.
okay. That makes sense. Okay. It's like some of the ginkgo leaves.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Yes, Miguel.
Yeah, I mean,
it is
it's-
plant stream. It's flower stream.
It's Valentine's Day.
Yes.
Well, yeah, depending on where you are currently.
I mean, it's already over here. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. It is almost Valentine's Day everywhere. Remember to look at the nodes of the leaf,
Yeah.
because those are something that are actually marked on some of the figures. I need to see how big the leaf is compared to the. They're around the same size.
Time check.
12 minutes. I might have taken on too much with this one.
Welcome to my world.
Oh yeah, Petite, are you going to be joining us tomorrow? For a formation
I will
piece?
try. I will try. But no promises.
Thought I would ask with it being Australia and everything.
Yeah. I try to show up for the Australian formations at least part of the way.
Yeah, it's fine if you can't. Spend time with your partners. That is what matters.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, by the time stream starts, it won't be Valentine's Day anymore, but whatever. You get what I mean.
Both of them are busy today anyways, so.
Okay. So then, yeah, spend time with your partners.
So are A, B, and C like the flower bud, or is that like a fruit bud?
This is all fruit.
Those are the fruit.
We don't have any
Okay.
flowers.
Oh, okay, cool. Cool.
Would you say the flower
cool.
morphology is relatively conservative across the group? Anybody who knows? They look.
I mean, this is also a
Consistent.
step. This is also not possible. This is possibly not even within the group itself.
Oh, okay.
It's just very
Oh.
similar to.
Well,
Yeah, I mean,
okay.
it's possibly just like a STEM member. Like it's probably close to them.
Yeah. Alternatively, most ranunculales are just very similar to the basal condition for all eudicots. And we're just seeing a bunch of stem eudicots.
Gotcha.
Yippee!
Okay, thanks for the Suikops. Oh, dang it.
This is why you don't why you shouldn't draw the flowers that we don't have.
Too late.
I mean, you can. It's just
Oopsie doodle.
speculo.
It is extremely speculative.
So is nearly every plant reconstruction ever that shows more than the organ we have.
This one's a little bit less because we actually have a decent amount. This
Hmm.
one is a better case than usual.
Oh well, I
Yeah,
just
so
drew
why not
Columbine,
go a
that's
step
okay.
further?
And H is one of the leaves.
Spirally arranged tepals, thank you. Is that would you say any particular number or just like the classic 5? Oh, wait, no, if they're tepals, then it would be like 10 or something.
I think Raven might have asked it not too long ago, but what's the time looking like?
7 minutes, 40 seconds.
Oh, that's enough time to
might do
fix my
3.
problem.
I might do 3, yeah.
3 what?
Actually, no. I guess I'll do 6. I'll do 6. I'll be interesting. I'll do 6.
You could also do 7.
I mean, 6 or 7, what difference does it make?
Yash!
After last time, Josh has embraced the meme.
It's so funny because that is actually like an old term. It's all just 6s and 7s, and it kind of means the same thing. Like it has since the 1800s.
Time is a flat
Wait, what?
circle.
I have no idea.
Yes,
What-
6-7 is actually
what-
an old meme dating back to the 1800s. If you look up, it's 6s and 7s, or the world is at 6s and 7s. It's basically the same thing as 6-7. You know, the current terminology for it.
That's very funny.
Huh.
So it's old brain rot, basically.
It's like extremely old, moldy even. Everything old is new again.
And it was already unfunny back then. Five minutes.
Yeah, something that people I feel like also don't bring up enough in paleo art with plants is growth habits.
Mm-hmm.
Because those can be pretty diverse within the same population, even.
Yeah.
3 minutes.
To the point of being context dependent. Like, just I know there was actually a paper pretty recently on a conifer. I don't know what stage of the Mesozoic it was in. I think it was in or near Antarctica. It was a fossil conifer of an otherwise like pretty well known like taxon. No, it might have been a new taxon, but it was very tiny, like super super small, but very very old. Like this thing was a twig, but it was I'm pretty sure decades old, and they theorize that's not because of the climate it was living in, because they know the climate. This thing must have just started sprouting on a bare rock, and it never got big because it had no dirt.
D.
I need to find that paper.
I'm adding some Semites
Woohoo!
because they do be funny.
Oh, Benedetto mentioned.
Benedetto mentioned
Williamsonian.
casually growing into frame.
Maria mentioned?
Lemuria mentioned?
Lemuria tomorrow?
We should always.
Lemuria,
Oh wait, anemones are ranunculaceans? That's cool.
We should always drop like
Lemuria
spoilers for Lemuria on streams where very few people are there, so everybody else who wasn't there can feel bad.
Lemuria stuff I should work on probably.
Real.
Nah.
Nah, it's stuff that I actually do need to work on though.
Same.
1 minute.
It's really bad.
Cool moment, at least for me.
Not
I like
particularly
how
proud of this one, but hey, whatever.
I think that all these planes were so small that I could just like do a lot of blur on the background and just like make it as like little like like as little detail as possible that just put like maximum
Yeah.
blur on it.
Yeah.
How much time is there?
None. It's time to post.
Awesome.
Bro, this Yosh guy.
I know, right?
There we go.
Let me quickly put some. There we little bit of mistiness into the air. Way more layers than I usually do for a flocking thing. On what do I have my main plant? Ah, there.
I'm just glad I made anything.
Yippee!
Same. And that's what all of us should be. We should be proud of ourselves for doing this.
I don't think I want to draw another plant until like Lemuria phase 3.
Howard. You know what? Something I've been thinking about.
It was fun.
You know what I've been thinking about due
that's
to like Lemuria stuff? I was telling Dynam about it, I think literally earlier today. And Teriano, you had every chance to make the demon in phase 2. You literally had Arboreal like
Monotremes.
Real what?
like you had Arboreal Monotremes in phase 2. Why didn't you make the demon? Why didn't you remake him? You had the like exact excuse.
I mean, it would have made it in anyway.
It's
But,
true.
You
like-
draw everything to make it in. You don't have any
Mm.
whimsy.
I mean, I do have
What point is in
an
the whimsy
idea
when it cannot take hold?
for phase 3 if the T Keeper makes it. And I have actually shown sketches, so the demon may make a return. But also, like phase 2, like unlike phase 1.5, which I was whatever, I actually put a lot of effort into the phase 2 submission, so kinda forgot about that.
You forgot about it for
The
like a
demon may
month.
return.
You posted about it and then stopped posting about it for a month and then started posting about it again.
No,
You know-
and like I also like wanted to, because I didn't participate in phase 1, and I only got one canon submission in phase 1.5, so I wanted to try to get more canon stuff
Yeah.
rather than silly stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, putting this also into stream gallery before I forget. It's a very green stream tonight.
Also, I don't know what Average Bear is planning with the demon. I have no idea what he's doing. I don't know if you saw event discussions.
Oh, what's going on there?
What is going on in there?
Yeah. Something fun to remember with phase 3. It's such a long stretch of time. It's gonna be so funny.
Much shenanigans will be had.
So much.
I have a
Hurry up.
little orange creature sitting next to me, purring and demanding attention. So we better wrap this up quickly before it takes everything apart. let's have a look what people posted. Starting with JW, who did this beautiful alternating little stem with some seed pods on top. Very nice, very good indeed. Afterwards, we have Captain Hululu with a shrimp. A shrimp with leaves. Damn. Oh, the Cretosaurus had pea pods and I see. Still not counting that, so. Okay, then Raven with most of the plant here and some leaves attached. Very nice. Loving the flowers. Very cool indeed. And then, oh my god, yes! Gaps animation. Look at that. Sprouting flowers and then turning them into seed pods that open to release all the seeds. Nice.
Yeah.
Very, very cool indeed. Okay, afterwards, we have Ultra Lucer with this little flower here from the top. I love this perspective. Very nice. Then Entreiano with little blue flowers here on these little things. I think the leaves are a little bit too oaky based on what we have from them and how they usually look in this group. But yeah, no, otherwise very, very cool. Then a little sprouting one by Aberrantologist. Very cool. They are blue for an amazing reason. That I said so. They could be. I don't know. And then Ceratosuchops with going more for the buttercup-like flowers here. Very nice. And more low growing too. Nice. I think that's everything, unless someone suddenly Petite would post something. But
Dynamo. How?
or
Almost
oh, Petite's
taking
typing.
photo.
Petite's typing. There we
slow.
go. There we go. We have it.
There's Petite.
Beautiful. Look at these little pink thingies. Very nice. Very
I'm very
nice.
excited to see these fully rendered petite.
I was trying to understand the growth form, but it's like I cannot figure out how the hell these things grow.
It's a weed.
Yeah, petite. Oh wait, yours aren't far enough down to show like that sort of like zigzag.
Yeah, mine's mainly just the inflorescence.
And
Yeah.
there is Dynamo with a wool meadow in the works. Damn.
They in the water.
And in the
Dynamo,
water.
you forgot the zigzagging.
What zigzag?
Dynamo! There's zigzagging between the nodes.
No.
When you look at the fossil, there's some zigzagging in the nodes going on. With the fossil.
I can do that.
See it here, like alternating left and right attachment of the leaves stuff.
Also,
I can do that.
unfortunately, the leaves are like 3 times the size. They're about the same size as the seed pods.
How big are the seed pods?
Not big. The leaves are also just very small.
Although to be honest, the leaves might be just. Oftentimes, the leaves closer to the leaf pods are also smaller than further down.
True.
It would be unreasonable to assume they are all the same size. I mean, plants are so variable in that
Yeah.
they could even have a different shape.
Ironeth.
But yeah, this was the flower flocking for today's or yesterday's, depending on where you are. Valentine's Day. Let us have a last little peek at the taxa we covered tonight. Thinking, why do you always go onto that pile of papers? God. He knows exactly how to annoy me.
Mm-hmm.
That's his job, actually.
Ooh, Average Bear coming in with the last inclusion. Very nice, very nice. Look at him. Stems are maybe a little bit thick, but yeah. Very cool.
Also, that's the fruit, not flowers.
That's important. That's
Yeah.
the stuff on top. Average bear. The stuff on top. That's not the flowers. That's the seed pods in the fossil. Oh no! Yes, yeah,
Average
but
bear, it looks
no.
lovely.
Okay, let's have a look. We covered tonight Florisantia, the famous flower from the Florissant formation. After that, Lovelia, small flowers that probably belong to a quite large tree from the Cretaceous of Australia. Then a lagoon, Leguminocarpum, the pods of these beans are preserved from the Cretaceous of Mexico. And last but not least, we stay in the Cretaceous again, and this time we are in Italy with these beautiful flowers and seed pods of Sagaria. And I just realized that I have the thingies here, the layers apparently in the wrong order because the flowers here that should be in the foreground are in the background. I will change that in post. Okay, this would be everything for tonight, guys. Thank you all for being here, and see you potentially tomorrow when we will have a look at the fauna, mostly the fauna because the flora is unfortunately not well preserved, of the Naracoorte caves in Australia. With many of the famous, yes, Sagi, yes, many of the famous large marsupials from the Pleistocene. Okay, good night, everyone, and bye-bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
That's dream.
Good night.